Welcome back, fellow creators. When it comes to creating a mockup, I know searching for the right mockup and downloading it for editing only for it to take up space on your computer, it can be exhausting. Wouldn't it be great to have all kinds of mockups at your fingertips and be able to edit them online without any software at all? Well, now you can with Freepik's Mockup Generator. Let me show you how it works and how to integrate it with AI tools. Let's get started. We're going to generate a series of photographs to illustrate a car advertisement. Let's go to the image generator. This is our prompt. A young Korean woman, confident, with red lipstick in a black leather jacket, inside a car, looking out of the window, night, photo shoot, neon reflections. Let's use some filters. Color cold neon, low angle camera, and long exposure lighting. Now in Mockup, we have this window where we can choose our mockup. Let's look for a bus stop. Now just click on it, and voila! The image fits perfectly in frame and perspective. We can adjust it even more by clicking on the image and then on Edit Element. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Now it's perfect. So simple, easy, and adaptable. You know what? I like this image so much, I'm gonna put it into another mockup. Let's see. So on the side, we have these three buttons. Mockups, this is where we can search for all the mockups that we have. Uploads, this is where we'll upload our own designs. And photos, this is where we have access to the entire Freepik library. Let's search for wall mockups. We have offices, hallways, even bedroom. And again, it's super easy. There's no need to do anything manually or mask the elements in front of it. It all just stays in place. Now, just click on Save the Changes and download. As you can see, making mockups has never been so easy and so fast, all with just one tool. Tell me in the comments below which mockup is your favorite, and keep creating. See you in the next video.